Go.
Hi, it's Brooke again. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a remake of the Coke and Milk Challenge because the other one sucked. It was not as helpful because we tried it again and it tasted totally different because we added the same exact amount of milk into Coke. So, okay, I'm going to move this because my mom will kill me. Just get that dirty. So here's our Coke. It is 1 cup, and the milk is exactly 1 cup also.
Yep.
Cup. And here's our cup. And first, going to be shown is my sister because I did it last time. And yeah, so here goes. We're going to pour the milk first. Bonk.
Now do the soda next break.
Nobody saw that.
It's okay. Do the soda break.
Okay. That. Oops. Uh-oh. We'll just clean that up later. Hopefully it comes out.
That looks like chocolate milk.
Soda's good. Not too sure.
It looks like chocolate milk.
It's barely added thing. Okay, I'm going to mix it around with something.
Hold on, you guys. She's going to get a spoon and mix it. And then I'll try it, and then I'll give you an honest opinion, but I don't know. I'm not looking forward to it.
It's a mixer. I think I did that right.
Yeah, you're fine. Go ahead. You want me to try it first, or should you try it first?
Thank you.
Okay, and you hold it there then. You gotta hold it the other way. No, hold it the other way.
I like sharing me.
Okay, wait, hold it the other way now. It's kind of like a river float.
I know, right?
Actually, that's not too bad. Taste it. I'm serious.
Okay, don't show me. I'm laughing. Okay. Okay, go.
That's actually really good. Seriously, try it. It's not bad. It tastes like a river float, kind of.
Well, it should, because ice cream is made with milk, too.
I know, but it tastes good. Try it. It's seriously good.
Okay. Okay.
Try it. It's good. Not bad, huh?
Oh, yeah. Well, that was bad. Okay, personally, same.
It tastes like a river float to me.
Personally, it does not taste good to me, because you can actually taste more soda than you can the milk, and the soda just comes through the milk and fizzes, and it tastes like fizzy milk, and it's disgusting. So
it wasn't that bad, but I wouldn't drink it every day, but it wasn't that bad, actually.
That's my opinion, because, like, last time we did it uneven, and, like, my sister, she got a headache from it.
That's because we probably used the raw milk.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
I'm going to make another video, probably in a couple minutes,
Okay.
and show you guys what my bedroom looks like. I don't know. I'm running out of ideas. I don't know if I should do that.
Or you can do the whole Selena Gomez phone number thing.
No, I won't rat her out. Okay, so...
It's all over YouTube. Come on now. She even did it on YouTube herself.
Okay, so Selena has this phone number that you would call and leave a message, and then she'd call you guys back. And I left a message, and yeah.
She'll probably call you back tomorrow. She's probably sleeping right now anyway.
Yeah.
I called it, and she called me back. So.
It was like so crazy, so.
And I was like, yeah, anyway. See ya. Bye.
Ciao.